Have you experienced a significant drop in your speaking score? Now I'm talking about those people who never had problems with their speaking and all of a sudden the score's dropped. Ladies and gentlemen, I need your help with something. But first, you want to know the secret to getting 90 in the PTE? Well, I'm going to give you that secret right now. Do you know when you're signing up for the exam online, when you're registering for it, you want to make sure that you put that you are from planet Mars and you're coming to Australia to study human beings. That's the secret. On top of that, when you're doing your personal introduction during the exam, before the exam begins, instead of introducing yourself, you gotta howl like a wolf, like this. Ow! That's the secret. Bullshit. I was kidding about that, and you know I'm kidding. There's so many crazy stories out there on how to get 90 in PTE. It's just like people trying to sell you get rich quick schemes, or someone telling you that you can just take these pills and lose weight without eating healthy or exercising. I'm sure it might work for a certain few people, but the chances of it working for you is slim. And the reason is because how do you even prove if that works or not? Because I guarantee, if I select that I want to immigrate to Australia and during the self-introduction and I don't say a damn thing, I'll still get over 79. How do I know? Because my students are already doing that and they're getting over 79. Now with that said, that doesn't mean that outside factors cannot affect your score. And when I say that, I'm talking about equipment. All that theory stuff, I don't pay attention to. But I know equipment can affect your score, so that's what I need help from you today. Are you ready? Let's get into this. Now, some of you might have never had problems with the speaking. You always get your speaking score. It's the other modules that you're lacking in. But all of a sudden recently, have you noticed a drop in your speaking score? Because that's happened a few times this week and I need to get to the bottom of this. And the common denominator is this headset. Test centers in other countries, including Australia, are switching to this headset. I don't understand why. Plantronics is an established brand and I don't know what the hell this is. So have you had the experience where the test center gave you this new mic and then all of a sudden your speaking score dropped? Please share that experience below. I want to find out more information about this. Now, I'm not trying to make excuses for our failures. I just want to explore all possibilities because going from 90 to 50, that is highly unlikely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to book an exam after I make this video because I want to test that mic for myself. Because the last time we went to test out the exam with our new templates, this was at the end of August. So we actually got the Plantronics mic that time, so it didn't really make a difference. It worked to perfection. So I need to figure out whether or not this is the issue right now with this new microphone. So while we're on this subject, just to give you some clarity and some understanding of how equipment can actually affect your score, have you ever tried taking the PTE official mock test on your own computer before? Did you take the exam with your default built-in microphone in your computer, especially with Mac? Did you get 10s in your speaking? Or some of you might have taken the official mock exam with one of those headphones that comes with your cell phone. Did you also get 10s? If you plan on taking the official mock exam, make sure you get proper headphones with a mic. Now, it doesn't have to be expensive, just something with the microphone and the headset. Now, wireless, Bluetooth, and built-in microphones inside the headset, that's a no-no. That's all for now. I hope the information was helpful. Equipment does matter. All that theoretical shit, I don't really care. It's up to you if you want to believe that. I hope to gain some insight from your comments related to the mic. I'm just trying to collect information right now to properly assess the situation. You know me, I'm always going to use facts and data. I don't make shit up. Please remember to check out my other tutorials. It's all about real teaching, real techniques, and real results. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.